So now, as we are continuing with the unit 4, first of all we will have learned poem. Okay. Why? Now, lesson which is going to be learned that Alice in Wonderland. Alice in Wonderland. Alice was a girl. Alice was a girl. So before we start this lesson, I would like to have a short summary of this lesson. So Alice was a girl. Okay. One day she was sleeping or sitting somewhere else, and one kind of rabbit. I know you know all about the rabbit. Okay. We may find on the road. Okay. So it runs fast. It runs fast. If you want to catch particular rabbit, it is not possible to have it with us. But okay. So and we like rabbits. So here there was a rabbit. Okay. So there was a rabbit. Generally, observe the rabbit. It is a white color, black color, brown color, etc. But in this lesson, that rabbit was totally different. Different means what kind of different? It is strange. That rabbit has watch on his hand. Okay. He wore blue coat, waistcoat. Okay. And he ran fast. Okay. So here the Alice suddenly, okay, or accidentally observed or attracted towards that rabbit. So she think that, or she wished to catch that rabbit. That is why she ran after the rabbit, falling miles and miles away. But the rabbit jumped. The rabbit jumped into the rabbit hole. So now what happened? What do you think? Could Alice catch that rabbit? No. Why? Because we all know that rabbit hole is a small hole, not big. It is a small. So person cannot be enter in that hole. So Alice thought that if I could have, or if I could be a smaller or small, then I can go in that hole. So it is the brief summary of this poem. Now, it is a brief summary of this lesson. Now, I would like to start explanation of this lesson. Along with that, I will explain some hard words. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a book. Okay, one day, Alice was lying. Lying means to get rest on particular thing. Okay, by sitting in a sleeping mode. Okay, at that time what happened? She was listening story, and who was reading that? Her sister. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. What was the color of rabbit? White. Scamper means to move fast. To move fast. And scamper is word specially used for this rabbit action. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. Who had pink eyes? That rabbit who was scampering by. The rabbit was having what kind of eyes? Pink eyes. What color was that? Pink. Okay. And what kind of coat it was? It wore blue coat. What kind of blue coat? He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." Can you find such rabbit who can talk? Can you find any rabbit who is speaking or who speaks? No, I haven't seen. Have you seen? No? Okay. So here he took out a big watch from his waistcoat. Who took out watch? That rabbit took out watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away. Hurried means it is the process. Hurried is the process in which we want to go early. Okay. Oh dear, I will be too late. So that rabbit spoke these words. Oh dear, I will be too late. She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. Alice thought. Alice was thinking that there is something different thing in this rabbit. It could talk. It wore a red waistcoat and it carried a watch. Which are the different things that rabbit had? It could talk. It wore a red waistcoat and it carried a watch. Watch is the thing we use when there is a darkness, and if we want to find something, we use the watch. Alice wondered. Wonder means to think, wonder. A talking rabbit. A rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. Curiosity. To become eager to know something. Curiosity. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit started running. And who followed that rabbit? Alice. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Pop down means kujja. A large rabbit hole. A large rabbit hole. Okay. As we live in house, so each and every animal has the different place to live. So that rabbit lives in a small hole. Okay. Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. She wanted to know. Alice wanted to know that. Alice wanted to know about the different rabbit. That is why she followed that rabbit. But that rabbit was running very fast. And she entered into its hole. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. So it is repeated. Alice said aloud. Aloud means very big voice. Aloud. Where am I? She was asking that. Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? How many miles down have I fallen? मैं कितनी नीचे आ गई हूँ और मैं कितनी दूर आ गई हूँ. I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth. She was thinking that I am on the center of the earth. I am on the center of the earth. She wondered, will I slip through the earth to the other side? Slip, S-L-I-P means slip. Means when there is a water or spilt area, then what happens? We get slip, okay, or we fall down by that wet area, okay, slip. And S-L-E-P, that slip means soja. Thumb. Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. Pile of dry leaves. Pile means when you put one thing above the one thing, one thing above the one thing, one thing above the one thing. Pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. She looked around. Around means aspas. Quickly means jhadap se. It disappeared saying. Disappear means vanish, invisible. Disappears. It's called invisible. Oh my ears! and whiskers, how late it's getting. Oh my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting. Whiskers, a hair which is growing on face. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. Alice stood up. Stood is the past tense of stand. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. She found the door. She found the door. Okay, and it is about 15 inches high. So the Alice was not able to enter in that door. So she thought that it was too small for her to go through. She thought that it is very small to go inside. Let's see what happened. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. Not a wood table, not a table which is not made by wood, but it is made by glass. And on that table there was a key, and it is a golden key. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her delight it fitted. She got the key, then she tried to open the lock, and it unlocked. So she delighted, means she was happy. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. Alice opened the lock and she observed, or she came to know that, or she saw a loveliest garden. What kind of garden was that? Loveliest garden she had ever seen. उसने कभी देखा ही नहीं ऐसा गार्डन उसने देखा. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains, but she could not even get her head through the doorway. So, Alice होती है, डोर तो ओपन करती है, मगर वो डोर के अंदर नहीं जा पाती. Okay, she did not enter. She could not enter. She just observed all these things which are inside the garden, and she was standing outside and she observed all these things. And she was happy. Okay. Beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains, but she could not even get her head through the doorway. उसका जो सिर है वो डोरवे से आगे निकल सकता नहीं था. Oh, how I wish I could become smaller, she exclaimed loudly. So here Alice wanted to enter that doorway, but it was not possible because that door was very small. But the Alice tried to enter his head, and she observed all these things, cool mountains, the flowers, and she was happy. But along with that, as well as she was not happy because she could think that, maybe a choti, I can be a smaller, okay, then I can enter. So she exclaimed loudly. So जीन जोर से चिल्लाती है. Oh, how I wish I could become smaller, she exclaimed loudly. Exclaimed loudly. Now, I hope you understood this lesson very well. Okay. This lesson is about Alice. She was lying somewhere else, and suddenly she found the rabbit. Who had a watch on his hand, who wore the blue waistcoat. Okay, she tried to catch out the watch from his waistcoat, and she also talked with the Alice. Rabbit spoke that, oh dear, I will be late. So that is why Alice was very curious to chase that rabbit, and she followed the rabbit, but rabbit was not caught by that girl, and the name of the girl was Alice. Okay. Okay. So she went miles and miles, and she has fallen. Okay, and she could think that, or she felt that I am somewhere else on the earth, center side of the earth. Okay, that is why. Then she suddenly found a golden key on the glass table. She found the table which is made of glass, and she also found the golden key. She tried to open the door, and the door was open. But what happened? She could not enter because that door was very small. So that is why at last she observed the things which are inside the garden. Loveliest garden, flowers are there, cool mountains are there. So she wanted to enjoy that things, but it was not possible because she was big and that door was very small. So that is why at last he exclaimed that, "Oh, I could be a smaller so I can enter." Now I am going to read question answer. Please understand. While listening to the story, what did Alice see? While listening to the story, what did Alice see? While listening to the story, Alice saw a white rabbit scampering by. While listening to the story, Alice saw a white rabbit scampering by. What was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? Obviously, the different thing was there in rabbit. Which are the different things? Can you tell me? Yes, it has blue waistcoat. Okay, it has watch on his hand. Okay, and what kind of eyes it has? It had pink color. Okay. Okay. Did that rabbit speak something to the Alice? Yes. So that is why these things are very different. So here we are going to list out the different things of rabbit. The rabbit that Alice saw was talking like us humans. Yes. He wore a blue coat and a red waistcoat also. Third, where did the rabbit go? Where did the rabbit go? Falling miles and miles down the hole. Now third number question, where did the rabbit go? The rabbit ran towards the rabbit hole and jumped into it. Rabbit ran towards the rabbit hole and jumped into it. Fourth number, how did Alice reach Wonderland? How did Alice reach Wonderland? Alice followed the rabbit into the hole. She reached Wonderland after falling miles and miles down the hole. Fifth number, what strange things did Alice see? What strange things did Alice see? At the bottom of the hole, she saw a 15 inches high door, which was too small for her to go through. She also saw a glass table with a golden key on it. When she opened the door, she saw a beautiful garden. Describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. It was the most beautiful garden she had ever seen. There were beds of colorful flowers and cool fountains. Have you ever seen the beds which are made of flowers? No, but here the Alice found or saw such kind of flowers. Okay. So these are the question answer of this lesson, and I hope now you are clear about this chapter. Okay. And one more thing, you must practice at home with the help of this video. Okay. With the help of the worksheet. Okay. Please write the notebook very well and understand this chapter very well. Thank you very much.